Someone laid another egg today. Aww, babies. You kissing? Uh-huh. Say I love you. Say hi, babies. You pushing them under you? Aww. You're rolling them?
No! No! You're not allowed in here. No, you're not allowed in here. You know this. Don't laugh at me. You're not allowed in here and you know it. No! Hey Hamlet, can I get an hour? An hour?
What am I doing? Hi! Hi, what are you doing? Pretty cool. Hi. My name is Zorro. Big Petey.
That's what it needs. Another one. These cages shouldn't even be in production, right? So, we've made this cage. We've made this cage good enough. Exactly. We can throw it exactly where it belongs, right, Pebble? Right in the garbage. They suck.
Look at all of those. Your little babies. Your little babies. Oh, yeah.
You cannot have Red Bull. No, give it. Do not chug the Red Bull. Do not chug it. Sprite! Stop chugging it further. Cage.
I can't wait for you to move in.
What do you want, Pico? What do you want, Pico? What is it? Do you want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath? Oh, you do? Okay. There he goes. And they're off.
Step up. Come on, Marsh, step up. Good boy. No. Come at me, bro. Come.
Is that one of your butt feathers?
What are you doing?
Is that one of your big butt feathers that fell off today? You missed your stubby butt. Now look, where's your longest tail feather? You don't have any left. That's it. Now you're a little stubby banana. It looks very nice though. You still look beautiful.
We're gonna see
Now you have a toy.
if we can get a little further today. Put shoelaces in there. Oh, it won't work? Look, it tapped. It tapped. I'm trying to get you inside there, but you won't go in there. Oh, thanks, buddy. Keys. Go get them. Wanna play with the keys? This is good. This is good. Oh, you're still not sure. Sorry. Good job. Well done. It's not so bad in there, is it? No, don't pull the keys out. Sussing it out. There's nothing in there. So he's trying it himself. Good job, buddy. Well done. Yeah.
I am a smart bird.
I'll get you.
What? Whoa! Are you gonna eat that? Hey, Mr. Destructor. Oh. What are you doing? No, you can't eat that. You can't eat that. Hey, come back. Come back. Dámelo. Dámelo. Give it back.
I'm coming. I'm coming, man. Hold on. I just started trusting you, man. Give me a second. Okay, I'm on it. Making sure your fingers ain't tapping. Hold up. I'm checking my weight. Everything good. Flotation device seems to be in order. Okay, here we go. Put back on. I am ready to engage. This is not a drill. I am on it. I'm on. I'm on. I'm off. I'm off. I'm off. I'm okay. All right, you going down. All right, that's good. All right, let me test my weight. Let me test my weight. Okay, it's holding me up. All right, this is good. This is good. You said we're gonna get out. Hell no, man. What you mean we gonna get out? You been doing all this to get me on? No. No. Yes. 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 No. Maybe. Should I? Nah, man. I'm strong like an eagle, man. I'm strong like an eagle, man. Here we go, float me. But make sure you stay close to the edge, man. I want to see the edge.
This was my bird's first time trying catnip. Bad idea. This was her 2 days without it. Addiction is serious.
Rubber, no. No. Well. No, rubber. That's mean, I know. You're doing it. A birdie bird. No. The attitude. Yeah, that's your name and you're a mean bird. You're a mean bird. Oh, now you're gonna be sweet?
Hi, Winnie.
Hi, Winnie.
Hi.
Ice cream truck's this thing.
Hey, Tango, can you come down here so I can check if you're clipped or not? All right, let's take a look. Let me see your wings, girl. Wow. Well, it would appear that you are not clipped at all, Tango.